Alright, here we go. It's the Courtyard. Get this one. Ooh, egg lantern. Re-level, alright. Alright, let's see if we have a good motor. The Courtyard. It's an interesting braille right there. No Otis label on the door track. Is your indicator? Very tall and nice. I'll give it that. Here's a camera. It's a strange Otis. There's an in-town right across. We'll send you up. It's on too. So there's just elevators there. We got some EST equipment in here. Genesis. This is right by the airport. And there's an ATM. I wonder if that'll work with my card. Alright, here we go. We get the other elevator. Got like Series 4 stuff? I don't know what that is. Door close buttons are... Door close brails are really wiped down on these. Alright, here we go. Oh, it dings, but it's burnt out. It's considered Series 5. We will never know. Ooh. This one's not as good, but has the better motor, honestly. Alright. I think we got our fun in here. Oh, that's sad. It doesn't light up. And there it goes. And that's it.